Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Most travelers think a clean-looking hotel room means it's safe, but that's far from the truth. In reality, there are 3 items in hotel bathrooms that could expose you to harmful bacteria and viruses, including those that cause lung infections, stomach bugs, and even hepatitis. While it's important to note that HIV is not spread through casual contact or surfaces, poor hygiene in hotels can still lead to serious health risks. Here's what you need to watch out for and how to stay protected. 1. Shower head. A breeding ground for bacteria. That hot shower might feel great after a long day, but hotel shower heads can harbor dangerous microbes. One of the most concerning is Mycobacterium avium, a bacterium that forms inside shower heads and can be inhaled through the mist. It's especially dangerous for people with weak immune systems as it can cause chronic lung disease. Prevention tip. Let the hot water run for 1 to 2 minutes before stepping in. This flushes out stagnant water and reduces bacteria buildup. Avoid inhaling steam directly, especially in poorly ventilated bathrooms. 2. Bathroom countertops. Invisible contamination. The bathroom counter may appear spotless, but many guests place their razors, toothbrushes, and toiletries directly on it. What's left behind could include bodily fluids like blood, saliva, and skin cells, especially from shaving. While HIV cannot survive long outside the body, other viruses such as hepatitis B, hepatitis C, and staph bacteria can live on surfaces for hours or more. Prevention tip. Always place a tissue, paper towel, or travel mat under your personal items. Never put toothbrushes or razors directly on the counter. 3. Hotel glasses. Clean or just wipe. Those shiny glass cups or mugs near the sink may look clean, but reports have shown that some hotel staff reuse them without proper sanitizing. Some glasses are simply rinsed and wiped with dirty rags, spreading E. coli, herpes simplex virus, and even norovirus. Prevention tip. Use bottled water for brushing teeth and avoid using the provided glassware unless it's sealed in plastic. Consider bringing your own travel mug or cup for safety. The key is to be alert and take simple precautions. Always travel with disinfecting wipes, avoiding direct contact with shared surfaces, and use your own hygiene items whenever possible. If this video helped you avoid a costly mistake, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next episode full of practical home tips and hidden dangers to watch out for. Thank you.